Hi all. Today I am going to discuss about my project, and my project is generally based on a current situation. My project name is Real-Time River Water Quality Monitoring and Control System. And this project I am using three most important applications to connect my project. I am using IBM Watson IoT platform, MIT app inverter and Node-RED. And before going to that, I created a Python code for that project. And first I log into a cloud ID and I get an IBM Watson IoT platform ID. There I will created a organization ID, device ID and token keys. These all are come inside that Python code. In that Python code, I have provided my organization ID, type ID, device ID and authentication code. And moreover, I imported more like time os like that libraries are I included, and whenever I run this program I get an output like this, like it provided an output like pH, temperature and humidity. These are the three parameters I'm going to measure in the water. And in the IBM Watson IoT platform, whenever I run my Python code, it make the name of a state device ID like node MCU. I'm using node MCU as a device, and it make the status as connected. While in that connected state, whenever I'm going to recent events, it created an updated values like pH, temperature and humidity. Like that values are generated for a time. And then I move to a node RED. In that node RED, I have provided like IBM IoT, that is an input, and I get an output from IBM IoT. And I'm connected this with my IBM Watson IoT platform. Like here, I'm provided my API keys, which are getting from my IBM Watson IoT platform. So by using that IoT platform, I can able to make the connection between Node-RED and IoT platform. So it shows in the side, it shows a pH value, temperature value and humidity value. Then by using this Node-RED, I can move to my next stage, that is called as an MIT app inverter. In that MIT app inverter, I am just creating a simple layout like temperature, humidity and pH. There I'm using a QR code. Like whenever I'm get into connector, there I provided API companion. In that API companion, whenever I click that, I will generate it with a QR code. If I scan this QR code with my mobile phone, it generates an output. Like that output contain pH, temperature and humidity. We have a certain region to get that particular pH, humidity and temperature, because these three are all the important components of the water. And moreover, these components are easily identified by the systems, and the more manpower is not needed for this project. And if I get linked with my MIT app inverter in my laptop to my mobile, it generates an output. The generated output is shown like NA, that is not available at the first, and then it provided random values. For temperature, I provided a value in degree Celsius. Humidity, I provided percentage. pH, I provided my value as value. Then a pH value has a certain conditions, like it may be appear only in 1 to 14 ranges. Before 0 or after 14 is not considered as an pH. So this is the basic events that are I have uploaded in this project, and thank you all.